Hi, it's Kevin Mitchell, your Washington Realtor with Fathom Realty, and this is Real Estate Word of the Day. Today's word is equity. This is the investment a homeowner has in their home. To calculate equity, take the market value of the home and subtract any mortgages or liens against the property. The amount left over is the amount of equity you have in the home. If you buy a home worth $250,000 for $240,000, you gain what is known as instant equity because there is a $10,000 difference between the value and the cost. When you sell a home you bought for $250,000 for $400,000, you'll get to keep the equity in the home after the close, once all the expenses are paid. It's important to build equity as homeowners can leverage this financial asset to obtain loans to help finance items such as home repairs or buy rental properties. Thank you for watching. My name is Kevin Mitchell, your Washington Realtor with Fathom Realty, and this is Real Estate Word of the Day.